Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the previous class, in the differentiation, we have done the sum and difference rule and product rule. In that few students are not submitted the assignment, then some students have submitted the assignment. They are not done properly the problems. I will do some problems again in the sum rule. The first problem is, so if 8x to the power of 4 plus 7x cube minus 6x square plus 4x plus 7 find dy by dx, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So let us take y is equal to 8x to the power of 4 plus 7x cube minus 6x square plus 4x plus 7. So this is the function he has given. In between the function, he has given the sign is plus and minus. So this is the in the form of sum rule, sum or difference rule. So let us take y. Y should be differentiated with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 8 is a constant. So x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4 differentiation is, it is in the form of x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1. So let us apply the formula here. So 4 into x to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 7 constant, x cube differentiation is 3x square. Again 6 constant, x square differentiation, let us apply this formula, 2x. Then 4 is constant, x differentiation is 1. Then 7 is constant, 0. So 8 4 the 32x cube plus 21x square minus 12x plus 4. So this is the answer. Some students have done mistakes by doing this problem. Okay. So again I will do another problem, second problem. So y is equal to ax cube plus 3bx square plus 3cx plus d. Okay, so this is a given function. Let us differentiate dy by dx with respect to x is equal to a constant, x cube differentiation is 3x square, then plus 3b is a constant, x square differentiation is 2x, then 3c is a constant, so 3c as it is, x differentiation is 1, d is constant 0, then 3ax square plus 3 2s are 6bx plus 3c. So this is the answer. Okay. So let us go for the next product rule. So product rule you have already done. Okay. I will do another two problems in this product rule. Okay. So let us take the first problem. If y is equal to 1 plus root x into x minus 1 by x, find dy by dx, find dy by dx. Okay, so y is equal to 1 plus root x into x minus 1 by x. So this is the problem. So you know the formula for the product rule, y is equal to u into v. Differentiation of y with respect to x is, so u as it is, differentiation of v, then plus v differentiation of u. So here let us differentiate this one. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to first function 1 plus root x, differentiation of second function, apply the formula first, then plus x minus 1 by x is v, differentiation of u, 1 plus root x. So this is the formula you should apply. So here 1 plus root x as it is, then differentiation of x is 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, then plus x minus 1 by x, then 1 differentiation is 0, root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Then we can write 1 plus root x into 1 plus 1 by x square plus x minus 1 by x into 1 by 2 root x. You can write, or you can multiply this, or you can stop up to here. Okay, let us take another problem in this product rule. Second problem, if y is equal to cot x root 3 minus 4 e to the power of x. So yeah, this is a function and this is a function. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay, let us take the function y is equal to cot x into root 3 minus 4 e to the power of x. So let us apply the formula here. So this is u, cot x as it is, differentiation of v as it is, v means root 3 minus 4 e to the power of x, then differentiation of cot x. Here cot x differentiation is, so you should keep cot x as it is. So then differentiation of root 3 is constant 0, 4 constant e to the power of x is e to the power of x. Then root 3 minus 4 e to the power of x into cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. Then you can write minus cot x 4 e to the power of x plus into minus root 3 minus 4 e to the power of x into cosecant square x. Okay. So now let us go for the next one, quotient rule. Okay, so now let us go for the next rule, quotient rule. Quotient rule, the function is in the form of fractions u by v. So numerator and denominator, let us write the formula first. Differentiation of y with respect to x. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator by denominator whole square. Denominator whole square. This is the formula for the quotient rule. So let us solve the problem here. Let us take the first problem. The first one, if y is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So let us take y is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. So differentiation of y with respect to x, let us apply the formula. So denominator x plus 2, differentiation of numerator x plus 1 is a numerator, minus numerator differentiation of denominator by denominator whole square. Denominator whole square. We have applied the formula here. Now let us simplify this one. So x plus 2 as it is, x differentiation is 1 differentiation is 0, minus x plus 1 as it is, x differentiation is 1, 2 differentiation is 0, by x plus 2 whole square. Again here 1 is there, 1 plus 0 is 1. If you multiply with this means x plus 2. Here 1 plus 0 is 1. If you multiply with this means x plus 1 only. Remove the bracket and multiply minus inside, minus x plus minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square, plus x minus get cancelled. Here 1 by x plus 2 is an answer. So this is the quotient rule. Okay, let us take another problem here. If y is equal to 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x, find dy by dx. Okay, so let us take the problem y is equal to 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x is a function he has given. So let us apply the formula. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to denominator differentiation of numerator minus 1 minus sin x, again differentiation of 1 plus sin x by denominator whole square. This is the formula we should apply. So now let us differentiate here. So 1 plus sin x, one differentiation is 0, sin x differentiation is cos x, 1 minus sin x as it is, then one differentiation is 0, sin x differentiation is cos x. So by 1 plus sin x whole square, then minus cos x into 1 is minus cos x, plus into minus minus sin x cos x. Here minus is there, minus into plus minus cos x, minus into minus plus sin x cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square. So here in the numerator, so sin x into cos x is negative here positive, we can cancel. Then here minus cos x and minus cos x means we can write minus 2 cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square. So this is the quotient rule. Okay. Let's solve another two problems, then I will give the assignment questions on the quotient rule. If y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c by px square plus qx plus r, find dy by dx. Okay, let us take here y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c by px square plus qx plus r. So this is the question he has given. So let us apply a formula. So denominator is px square plus qx plus r, then differentiation of numerator ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, minus ax square plus bx plus c, then differentiation of px square plus qx plus r by px square plus qx plus r whole square, then px square plus qx plus r, a constant x square differentiation is 2x, b constant x differentiation is 1, c constant is 0, then ax square plus bx plus c, then p is constant, x square differentiation is 2x, q constant, x differentiation is 1, r constant is 0, by px square plus qx plus r whole square, then px square plus qx plus r, then 2ax plus b minus ax square plus bx plus c, 2px plus q by px square plus qx plus r. So this is the answer. If you multiply, you cannot cancel. So you up to here only. Okay. So let us take another problem here. Y is equal to a minus x by 1 plus ax. Okay. So let us apply the formula here. Differentiation of y with respect to x, 1 plus ax into differentiation of a minus x minus a minus x into differentiation of 1 plus ax by 1 plus ax whole square. So here 1 plus ax, a is constant 0, x differentiation is 1, a minus x, 1 differentiation is 0, a constant, x differentiation is 1, by 1 plus ax whole square. So here 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into this is minus 1 into minus ax, here plus a minus a square, minus into minus plus ax by 1 plus ax whole square. Then you can cancel plus ax minus x cancel, then minus a square minus 1 by 1 plus ax whole square, or you can write a common a square plus 1 by 1 plus ax whole square you can write. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the assignment questions. Y is equal to a minus x by a plus x. Then second one, y is equal to 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube. Then third one, y is equal to root a minus root x by root a plus root x. The next fourth one, sin x by 1 plus cos x. Fifth one, 1 minus e to the power of x by 1 plus e to the power of x. Sixth one, ax plus b by cx plus d. Seventh one, y is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 7 by 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Next, eighth one, y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by root x. Then ninth one, y is equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 minus 1 plus sin x. Then next 10th one, y is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Then 11th one, 1 minus cot x by 1 plus cot x. 12th one, y is equal to log x by 1 plus log x. And 13th one, log x by 1 plus root x. 14th one, y is equal to a sin x plus b by a plus b cos x. Last problem, 15th one, y is equal to 1 plus x square by 1 minus x plus x square. So these are the 15 problems you have to solve as an assignment.